Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with this error message could not call proc error in Windows computer. The could not call proc error is brought about by several factors like damage or missing program files, registry issues, and outdated system components. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the allocations in the compatibility mode. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. So here on search for apps, and then you need to type any apps in your computer system. So for example, we will type for this is the Google Chrome. And then once you type this, the name of app, and then you need to right click and select this open file locations. And once you open up these apps open file locations, so you can see now here at program settings. So all you have to do is to right click again and then select this properties and then pop-ups this Google Chrome properties. So in here, then you need to select compatibility. So click, and then in the next step, then you need to check this, run this program in compatibility mode 4. So check this box and then now select which Windows. So Windows 8, 7, Vistas, and the Service Pack. Alright. So once you selected already, and then next step, so you need to click apply and then click OK. Alright, so after here in the other solutions we will do is to run the system file checker. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu and then here at search for apps and then type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then we need to enter this command keyword sfc space slash scan now. So slash scan now, that is one word, and press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker sfc tool, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And then next step, so we need to close the CMD at here at start menu, and then we need to restart our system. All right, so click only this restart. All right, so that's it guys on how to fix could not call proc on Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.